At times I want to give up, but when I look outside the window, I see endless possibilities waiting before me to cherish my life. Just like my thoughts, I want to fly high above. Everything around me is so beautiful that it makes me feel beautiful because I'm a part of it. The slow breeze which makes my hair flow, the sun makes me look away and smile, the grass which tickles my skin. Finally, I have learned to let go of the emotions that are too heavy to hold on to. Emotions which makes me stop and think of turning back where I was before and slowing me down to move forward. Paulo Coelho once said, "People say every day was same as the next." It's because people fail to recognize the good things that happened in their life every day. If you want to understand the beauty of a bird, a fly, a leaf, or a person with all its complexities, you have to give your whole attention to it. Which means you are in love. When you can give your whole attention and mind to find out every details of it. Whoever you are or whatever it is that you do, when you really want something, it is because that desire originated in the soul of the universe. Sometimes being strong is not about being brave or smiling all the times. Sometimes it's not about acting as if you are the happiest person in the world. Sometimes it's not about holding everything together when everything around you seems to be falling apart. Sometimes you have to be humble to yourself. Swallow your pride, put your brave face away, and break down. Perhaps our eyes need to be washed by our tears once in a while so that we can see life with a clearer view again. There are going to be days when you won't have the energy or drive to get out of your bed. There are going to be days when you want to give up on love and life. You were given a life and you are supposed to live it. The truth is that the 70 or the 80 years that you are given isn't long enough to do the things you are supposed to do. Sure, you're gonna hit few bumps along the way, but you have got to pick yourself up and move on. Life is unpredictable and the things might not work out the way you want them to. You are here for a reason. And someday, when you are not expecting it, you are going to discover your reason for being here. And when that happens, your life will never be the same.